So hi guys, welcome back to my another tutorial, and today I would like to talk to you about if-else conditions. So as I have mentioned that we have another two data types, right, which is boolean and null. So right now I'm going to use in this if-else condition, so I'm going to teach you using how to use combine it both. So let's get started. So first off, I'll be teaching you how to use boolean in the if-else condition. Maybe there are some data types as well. I'm going to teach you like integer. Okay, so true, if our boolean is true, if our boolean is true, then we echo boolean is true. Okay, else, so which means this is if-else condition. Okay, else we echo boolean is false. Okay, let's see the result, right? Okay, so just now you declare as true, right? So it's confirmed you need to be echoed it out, boolean is true. Okay, so we get boolean is true. Okay, what if I put it into false? Okay, false, then we get false, boolean is false. So okay, I change it back to true. Then okay, right now we declare a null variable, okay, which is a, then it is null. Sometimes, right, maybe when you do define a variable, your first definition default value, which is null, because maybe it is an object. Okay, so you need to declare it first, only you store object. So the first declaration we put as null, or maybe there are some like I forget, maybe sometimes we'll put numbers, right? We won't put 0 but we put null. Okay, it depends on you. So, or maybe a string also can, we put it as a null. Okay, so right now we are going to do nested if-else condition, right? It's not just if-else, so which means that nested, which means that if-else, there's another if-else inside the if-else, so which we call nested if-else condition. So inside the if, you get boolean is true already, right? Then we need another condition, we need to run another condition, which is a, we check if it is not null. If it's not null, then we will echo a is not null. Okay, then else, if it is null, then it is null. So what do you think it will be coming out? Okay, let's see the result. So a is null, boolean is true. So right here, a is null, which means that you go into the first condition, boolean is true. Okay, we already achieved this condition. Then we go into the next condition, which we check whether a variable is null or not. If it is null, if it is not null, then we'll echo not null. If it is null, then we'll prompt null. Okay, so what if I put 1? Okay, 1. Let's see the result, right? So which means that now we have a variable, which means that the variable a is not empty anymore. Now which means it's empty. So right now it is not empty, then we'll have a is not null. So if, okay, maybe sometime else, right? You have another condition, then you put it in else. It's not that we always do need to do on nested condition on the if. Maybe you have a else nested condition as well. So it depends on your condition, how you do it, and how you want the condition to run, how you want your condition to run. And just like I said, depends on how your flow chart, how your system flow going on, and how you implement your flow of the condition. Okay, so maybe there are some like do while and while loop, so you can change it, you can use whatever you want as long as you have your logic. Okay, so that's all for my tutorial, and thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my Patreon page. And thank you once again. Good night. Bye bye.